What is up, everybody? I am still in the old box opening room doing some more box openings from Watchgang today. Like I said in the last video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that jazz so you get all the updates, know when I drop a new video. And if you're looking to sign up for Watchgang or discount codes or promo codes for other companies, make sure you look in the notes below. Right now, I've got the watch on that I just did the box opening on, and I found this one pretty underwhelming, honestly. And it started right off the bat with the packaging. It's a caliber, and yeah, I don't know. Maybe I was too unkind. What do you guys think of this one? Make sure you comment on it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So if you're unfamiliar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. Pay a fee, get a watch, you keep the watch. Or if you're like me, you have so many, sometimes you sell them on. Now, there are different tier levels from the original tier up to the black tier, platinum tier, and even the crazy tier that I've never paid for or attempted to pay for, which is the $1,000 Centum tier. All right. Now we've got a Orfina, which I've actually had some from them before and thought they were pretty nice watches. So off the bat, I mean, it's funny because I made fun of this watch mostly because of the initial packaging. Now, let's be honest. Most of these watch boxes are fairly cheap, cardboard, felt-lined, whatever watch boxes. And I really do try to not judge a watch on the packaging it came on. But for whatever reason, this one just threw me off. Let's go ahead and pull this one off the pillow. I always like looking at the tag. So there's the model number of that one. Take a look at the back. So, which I won't lie, sometimes it's hard to read these through the camera. So we got a mecha quartz movement. This one was also a quartz movement. So the last two watches I've done box openings on were both quartz. Now, the Orfina seems like a pretty standard looking classic case design. It looks a little busy with all of the dial markings for me. I actually like them a little bit more simple than this one. I do like this bracelet. It's at least not just a basic stamped steel bracelet. Go ahead and throw it on wrist. Granted, I haven't pulled off all the plastics and tags yet on this one, so it's doesn't really want to clasp there. But that's how that guy looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Now, if I could let me at least pull this off here. So at least that piece is off so I can clasp it back up. So I have roughly a 7-inch wrist, and there is not a lot there. Maybe one link, 2 links, or 1 link in some of the micro adjustments. So this one, if you had a larger wrist, I think you would be not super happy because it's just not going to fit you if you have a much bigger wrist than me. Now, as for the case size, it actually is a nice size for my wrist, and I like that case design. Overall, not a bad piece from Orfina. Now, this one was the $150 tier level, the black tier level, and I'll have to do some research in on this one, but, you know, I don't know. It's tough because I'm at a $99 tier level. I was grandfathered in, so I'm at a lower tier level. At the $100, I think it's a great piece. At $150, there's a lot out there. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.